Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. Well, we're going to see if they got the cones out. We're going to see how many days it's going to take them to finish this final work here by the skills building. You know, all the guys come down and they play the computer games. Are they digging today? They're doing something here. They're putting down the matting for... Yeah, they're digging. See the skill zone. They're digging. Okay, they're digging. I don't know why they wouldn't have been able to finish it yesterday. It's a short span. And the answer is they had to go around the building. I think that's what it is. In other words, the pipeline was set further back from the road, and then when they got to that building, they had to do like they did at my corner, which is cut some shorter sections and put in joints and stuff like that, and get around any kind of piping or utilities that are in the ground. You see, if you're just driving by and you never do this kind of stuff, you don't think about it until you see something like this where it's taking multiple days to get around one little concrete block building. Okay, as yesterday, the poor boy's shop is open for business. There's all kinds of entrepreneurs around here. I'm headed for my Heart Health Climb and Faith Rock Trail. Steve AB4L. Just out having fun on this beautiful January day, saying see you in 73.